I think you should do this one, Ollie.
No, not going to happen.
Yeah, no, but seriously, it's about
no.
If, like Ollie here, you're somebody that likes to stay out of the light, someone that's uncomfortable being out in the world.
Stay out of the light, I'm not a vampire. Just do your job. Can you just do your job, please?
Today we're talking about introversion. If, like Ollie, you're a loser. Many creatives are quite introverted. We don't like to be out in the world. We don't like to be shouty about what we're up to. We're quite modest. We don't want to be connecting with other people too much. If you're one of those kind of creators but also would like to be more engaged, having more people relating to what you're up to, then stick around.
This is the Make Happen method. So yes, many of us creatives struggle with being out there in the world, stepping into the limelight and getting people to look at us and our work. The problem is, if we're never being out there, we're never putting our work out there for other people to appreciate and interact with because we're too busy being tucked away in our bedrooms creating, then how are we ever to flourish or succeed? So for the purposes of this video, I could be really loud and extroverted. Woo! But rather, let's simply be who we are, with the make happen distinction, okay as I am.
What if everything was just fine as it was? What if the secret to success was being happy the way you are right now? If you think a change in circumstances is what's going to have you feeling happier, you may find that you will always feel that despite ever improving circumstances, as there will always be something else to want. A better commission, a bigger audience, more material success, more, no matter what level you've reached. So Make Happen invites you to celebrate more often where things are actually at. You've got it good in so many ways, but you're just not looking. You are okay as you are. I am okay as I am.
So now you can go forth into the world sharing your work with others, knowing you're okay as you are. The time of the introverts has arrived. So click below to subscribe to my new channel. Let's never do this again. Why do I keep doing this?
Oh, there's room for you now, is there? Yeah.
Oh, he wants it back. He doesn't like being out of the limelight for 5 minutes.
Oh, I wish the introverts would just stay introverted.